Welcome to our little project. Today we're going to have a look how long does a dream last. So let's take a closer look. When we start reading about some books, we find out that for some it could be as 5 seconds. What a shame. But some more other people, they could have like 5 minutes of dream. But when you start reading some proper books, you start finding out that some even can have like 30 minutes of dreams per night, like total. They could have like 5 minutes one dream and then another dream later during the day. And perhaps if you decide to learn lucid dream, like some of these dreamers, they can manage to have like in 1 hour. Impressive. So they learn this some sort of technique, like rubbing your hands. Ooh. So it like prolongs your dream. You can stay longer. Some decide to like fall down backwards. And even like you can spin around in a dream, not in your bed of course. In a dream. Woo-hoo! So some sort of technique they have to prolong longer. So ideally about like 10, 20, depends by the person. However, there's some other things you could use to perhaps, if not prolong. For example, I just tried with the vitamin B6. I could recall more dreams and it felt like I was dreaming more. Maybe it's true, maybe it's not, but I can recall longer periods of dream. It feels like a long dream. It's like when I start jotting down my dream journal, it's like I can carry on, writing like a full page, and then I don't want to write anymore. So you can use B6 if you would like to buy B6 vitamin. Check out in description. You can buy them from Amazon. And if you got any questions, what should we check in our next laboratory session? Comment below in the comments. I'm reading them.